Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever felt like no matter what you do, your hair just isn't behaving the way you want it to? You're using all the right products, but something still feels off? Well, I've been there too. And the truth might shock you. It could be your shampoo. In today's video, we're talking about how shampoo can actually ruin your hair, and the 10 worst mistakes we're all guilty of making. Sulfates are chemicals that make your shampoo foam up, but they also strip your hair of its natural oils, leaving it dry and brittle. Over-shampooing can weaken your hair over time. A little goes a long way. I learned that a quarter-sized amount is usually all you need, no matter how long your hair is. I know it feels good to give your scalp a good scrub, but rough handling can irritate your scalp and even cause breakage. Soft, circular motions are all you need to cleanse your scalp effectively. Here's the thing. Your scalp is where the oil builds up, not your ends. By shampooing the lengths of your hair, you're just drying them out. Focus the shampoo at the roots, and let the lather naturally clean the rest as it rinses down. Hot water opens up the cuticles, making your hair more prone to damage and frizz. Try lukewarm or even cold water for that final rinse. It'll seal the cuticles and give your hair a shiny, smooth finish. Overwashing can strip away your scalp's natural oils, making your hair dry and your scalp produce more oil to compensate. Wet hair is fragile, and rubbing it with a towel can cause breakage and split ends. Instead, gently squeeze out excess water and use a microfiber towel or even an old t-shirt to dry your hair. Leftover shampoo residue can weigh down your hair, make it dull, and even cause scalp irritation. Consistency is key. Stick with a shampoo that works for your hair type for at least a few weeks before deciding if it's right for you. Just like food, shampoo can go bad. Expired products lose their effectiveness and can even irritate your scalp. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.